Oh, the madness that has engulfed the crypto industry in recent years. Imagine I approached you with an offer to risk any portion of your money with a 50-50 probability of losing more than half of it or maybe doubling it many times. That's what meme coins are doing right now in the cryptocurrency industry. We'll share all we've learned about meme coins in this video, and we'll do our best to make it as simple to grasp as possible. We'll concentrate on the current state of meme coins and its recent history. What is driving the new meme coin market? Is it too late to invest in some of these coins? How do I purchase them? And what are the disadvantages of doing so? If you find any of this material useful, please click the like button. This will assist the algorithm and encourage us to keep putting out amazing movies. What is a meme coin? Let's return to the scenario we discussed before. Would you like to take it? You mostly likely would. Those are some very decent odds, but you wouldn't put your life savings on the line. We hope you wouldn't risk your life savings, but you'd probably risk your lunch money. That wouldn't be really foolish. But if you did really do something foolish and you did something similarly in a few weeks ago, you'd be a very wealthy fool. I wish I had more money to spend on meme coins, but they're bad investments and risky bets, so you have to know what you're doing. Allow me to explain. So, if you're not sure what we're talking about, let us define a meme coin. A meme coin is a coin or token with no intrinsic value and in many cases no function. They are usually based on an online meme, however they are not restricted to memes. Creating a coin back then was not straightforward. You needed to be a programmer. There was a lot of it, and creating your own coin requires certain abilities. And nowadays, all you have to do is pay a fee and join up to have your own cryptocurrency, which is how meme coins appear every day. They just do three things: choose a name, pay the fees, and offer liquidity. We'll go over it in more detail later, but honestly, the most challenging part of creating a meme coin is persuading enough people that your coin has insane potential such as Dogecoin, because everyone knows you'd be smiling to the bank if you purchased it at the start. When it comes to usefulness, a cryptocurrency may currently perform a variety of things. It can be a financial token, an entertainment network, or in the case of meme coins, you acquire it just for the meme. That's all there is to it. With all of those factors in mind, we may consider a meme coin, or poo coin for want of a better term, to be a coin based on a meme that does not have intrinsic value but can be given value through a liquidity pool. And the value is increased when individuals buy the coin from the liquidity pool. These meme coins often have an extremely large circulating quantity, ranging from 1 quadrillion to 100 quadrillions. That doesn't appear to be a genuine number, does it? Okay, now let's explain what we just discussed. The pool of liquidity. Consider a scale on which one side contains a coin of real worth and the other side has your coin. Both sides must have the same value. When you buy meme coins from the liquidity pool, the value rises since the supply in the liquidity pool decreases. This is a computerized version of the traditional trade with a buyer and seller. If you have a low market cap and little volume, the liquidity pool is advantageous since it allows individuals to continue trade. The concern is that it practically allows anybody to simply put their coins into the pool and cause the value to collapse. But there are various ways to avoid this, which we'll discuss later. So that's a rough outline of what a meme coin is. I hope that wasn't too perplexing. The recent history. Let's take a look back at the past year. The cryptocurrency market had a spectacular year. There was a tremendous spike in low market cap deflationary currencies in the early months of last year. Low market capitalization indicates that it is undervalued. Deflationary implies that the circulating supply is planned to continue to fall theoretically, rising the value per coin and allowing individuals to make absolutely filthy money. So there was a coin called Hogue Finance that gained a lot of traction. They built this coin using a liquidity pool, which means that every time you buy a coin, you pay a 10% tax, half of which is redistributed to holders and the other half is burnt. As long as there is a steady flow of buyers into the pool, the circulating supply should always decrease and the value should always increase. There was just one major flaw with their token. It was built on the Ethereum network. And if you're acquainted with Ethereum, you know that gas prices are now incredibly high, which means that every time you transfer this Hogue token, you'll be charged a large gas fee. That doesn't sound good for anyone and has long since faded off. But of course, another coin developed immediately after, addressing the primary issue by utilizing a separate network with extremely cheap gas rates. Another 15 cents per transaction. Safemoon is the name of the coin, and it was established on the Binance Smart Chain network rather than the Ethereum network. People assumed that it was the next hoax when they heard about it. Many people were looking at Safemoon as the next hoax, but this time with a lot more lasting potential. And boy, did it work! It exceeded 100%. That's ridiculous! And as people saw how successful Safemoon was early on, they were probably 100 more copycats, and it became a race to see who could come up with the greatest branding and some type of value for their meme coin. Should you buy meme coins? This leads us to the present. It is a good time to purchase meme coins, or is it? We won't offer a straightforward response because there are many coins that might follow in the footsteps of Safemoon, as well as many others, in being entirely transparent. Many meme currencies are particularly volatile and subject to quick price changes since they have an endless supply and their popularity is partly based on pop culture. A popular photo of a Shiba INU, for example, sparked the Doge meme, which led to the establishment of Dogecoin. Although these cryptocurrencies aren't meant to be taken seriously, they can gather traction when community members purchase a currency in order to participate in the joke. Meme coin pricing is very unpredictable because of its reliance on community emotion and arbitrary outside factors such as celebrity tweets. A meme coin's value might soar, as it did with Dogecoin, but it can also drop swiftly if and when the community loses interest. As a result, meme coins might not be the most secure investment. They are inherently riskier investments due to their large supply and volatility. The dangers. Before you go out and buy a meme coin, there are a few things you should be aware of. The greatest risk is that because it is so simple to generate your own meme tokens, there will be a lot of scammers. We've already seen meme coins that turn out to be a hoax. The scheme is known as a rug pull. This is where the creators hold a large number of coins, get people to invest, and then dump their coins back into the market, causing the value to collapse. And they just take their money and run. The easiest method to prevent this coin is to do your homework and look for coins that have been examined and audited, which act as a third-party safety check. If the developer is extremely open about who they are, for example, by showing their face or their voice, a prominent figure, there's a fair probability they aren't trying to defraud others, since they've effectively doxed themselves. Then there's the issue of oversaturation. FOMO, fear of missing out. Uncertainty and doubt are all prevalent. There's a lot of nonsense. Take everything you see with a pinch of salt. Try to find out whether this individual is merely promoting their own currency or if they truly feel their coin will be the next Dogecoin. How to buy meme coins using a decentralized exchange. With that being said, maybe you're interested in buying your own meme coins. Let's explain how you actually do that. Go to your local browser and search for meme on a decentralized exchange. Make that meme can be exchanged for ETH, Ethereum native asset. Uniswap, SushiSwap, and 1inch are all popular dexes. Using an exchange like Gemini, purchase ETH to trade for meme. You'll need enough ETH to exchange for meme, as well as ETH to cover Ethereum network transaction costs known as gas. To obtain an estimate of how much gas costs now, try a tool like Etherscan. To connect to the DEX, transfer the ETH to the Web 3.0 wallet like MetaMask. Follow the on-screen instructions to trade ETH for meme on the DEX of your choosing. Make sure you have enough Ethereum in your wallet to cover gas costs. Wait for the transaction to complete before receiving the meme tokens in your wallet. Now you may retain the tokens in your Web 3.0 wallet or move them to a more safe location such as a hardware wallet. We would like to know your take on meme coin. Do you think these meme coins are here to stay? Let us have your thoughts. Okay, hopefully that wasn't too much to take in. If you have any questions for us, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.